Hi.
Hi, are you sure this course is just for 2499?
Yes, and you know this is the only course with this expertise across the world.
No way!
Yes way. Don't delay. Enroll now.
Geeks learning to
Hello guys and welcome back to this amazing channel. This is Abhinav. Today we are back with our next problem of the day, which is lowest common ancestor in a BST, in a binary search tree. It's an easy problem, okay? It's not very tough. Hi Risit, how are you? So the problem says that, okay, by the way, I have to also open the blackboard. So the problem says that there's a BST and you have to find the lowest common ancestor of that. So for a BST, lowest common ancestor is a very easy thing, okay? It's really easy to find the lowest common ancestor, or we can say LCA, for a BST, because BST has a property. We all know the property of BST. So first of all, I will quickly talk about the what is the property of BST. So what happens in a BST is that if there is a parent node, or we can say a root node, then its left child and right child. So left is always less than root and right is greater than root. Am I right? Okay. Hello Kasi. Hello Mo Mazandar. So if you will see, let's say there's a binary tree given to you. Let's say there's 7, 12, 15, 10, 11, 9. Yeah. Just please tell me if it is a valid tree that I'm writing here. I'm not sure whether it is valid or not. Yeah. So let's say this is a binary search tree. Okay. So if I'm asking you, what is the LCA of, let's say, 15 and 5? So you can see that 15 is starting from here and 5 is here. So they are meeting at 7. So for 15 and 5, the LCA is 7. Let's say I'm talking about 10 and 9. Okay. So you can see for 10 and 9, or let's say 11 and 9, it's 10, because when they are going up, they're meeting at 10. So basically, when you're going up, and system is going up. Hello, Shika. Hello. So when we are going up, then the first node where they will meet is called the ancestor. So let's say we are taking two values as 9 and 15. So when 9 will go up and 15 will go up, you can see they are meeting at 12. So 12 is the ancestor of 9 and 15. So the thing comes how we can find this thing. So is it clear to everyone what is the lowest common ancestor? When you will go up, the ancestor, which is the common ancestor, lowest and common ancestor. So root is the ancestor of everyone. Okay. But we want lowest. Hello, 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 everyone. Got it? That's the basic thing. That's the basic point. Okay. Great. So if you will see one thing here, what we can do is, so let's say we are talking about 9 and 15. So why for 9 and 15, 12 is the LCA? Because you can see that 15 is greater than 9 and 15 is greater than 12 and 9 is less than 12. So for being a LCA, there is a very common property that it's one child should be on the right and one child should be on the left. That should be that is a basic property. Am I right? Like if one is a I think voice should be clear. I'm not sure. Please check. Start again. Okay. So so what I'm saying is that, see, let's say for this 15, this 12 is the ancestor. Why? So they go. When we'll go down. So let's say we are finding the LCA for 9 and 15. Okay. So we'll start from root. Okay. So let's say this is the root currently. So root is 7. Okay. And you can see 9 and 15 both are greater than 7. If both are greater than 7, so which side they should be? Left side or right side? Tell me. If 9 and 15 both are greater than 7, means greater than your root. So which side they should be? Left side or right side? Can anyone tell me? The left side or the right side? On which side they will be? They are greater now. So when it's greater, so greater childs are on the right side, okay? So they both will be on the right side of it. So we will go on the right side. Now let's say we are here. Now for this 12 you can see, 9 is less than it and 15 is greater than it. So they both are not in the same side. So whenever this case will happen, that one is on the right and one is on the left. Whenever this case will happen, we will simply say that this particular is the LCA. Okay. So how we will do it? So I will first of all have a current node which will be equal to root. Now I will let while current is not equal to null, what I will do is see if the current data is greater than n1 and same for n2, or we can say if n1 is also less than current, n2 is also less than current. If both are less than the current node, that means less means on the left side, sorry, on the left side. So current will move on there, its left side. Else if they both are greater, just like in this case, when they both are greater, so we will go on the right side. And in the else case, if one is less, one is greater, means that is the answer. Simply return the current. That's the basic thing, a very basic question. Is it clear? Is this approach clear to everyone? Is this approach clear to everyone? Okay. So the time complex is log of n only. Okay, because we are simply going. It's in the height of BST, or we can say log of n, where n is the size of the when n is the number of node. And here in this case, there is no space complexity. We are not using a recursive solution. Okay, it's a simple iterative solution we are doing. Right? Is this question clear to everyone? Isika, the thing is that whenever we have to find the LCA, lowest common ancestor. Okay, so let's say here we were checking for this. Okay, so let's say we are checking for 7. So for 7, what is happening is that for 12 it is behind, and for 3 it is like so. See, for 7, both 9 and 15 are greater. So when they both are greater, you have to go on the right side. You have to go on the right side because we know it's present on the right. Now let's say for 12, 9 is smaller and 15 is greater. That means 12 is the answer. Okay, so if both the values are less, go on left. Both are greater, go on right. Else you have the answer. And by the way, don't worry, whatever the live is there, it is recorded. So if your network was not good, you can again watch the recording. Okay, it's completely it is available on YouTube only. Okay, it's not like it's a non-recorded live. So once the live will be ended, you can check out the recording also. No worries. Okay, clear, guys? Great. So, and here I've shared the code also, so that you guys can access that too. Fine. So great, guys. Thank you for today's live. Let's meet again tomorrow with the next POD. Till then, thank you. Happy coding. Take care. Bye bye. GFG कर लो हो जाएगा.